Good day, everyone. Learn how to fix download folder in Explorer not responding on Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. I understand it's a very frustrating problem. Whenever you click on downloads, either it opens very late or it shows not responding. I understand that. It's a very common problem and it is fixable, and let's go ahead and fix it together. All right. So here you need to click on the search icon and then type CMD. Once you type CMD, the best match will be the command prompt. And here, please make sure you click on Run as Administrator and click on Yes. So this not responding problem if downloads could be with the corruption, if there is some damaged system files are there, anything is not good with the operating system, we are going to repair it, and it is very good for the computer. So we are going to run few commands which will repair any corruption, any damaged file is there. So I'll mention these commands in the description as well, where you just need to copy like this: DISM, online cleanup image, restore health. Just copy it and paste it like Control V, or you can simply do the right click and paste, and you need to hit enter. The moment you do that, it will start scanning the whole computer, and it might take 2 to 5 minutes or more than that, depends on a computer. And once it is done, you need to restart the computer, and then once you restart, again click on the search icon, type CMD, run as administrator, then say yes. You will see another window like the black screen, and here this time mention SFC space. So I'll just do a right click and it will be pasted like this: SFC space / scan now. It's a system file checker tool, and you just need to hit enter. It will begin the system scan. It will take another 2 to 5 minutes more, and it will scan the whole computer. If it finds any corruption, it's going to fix it and replace it, and your computer will be up and running after the restart. Now, please do let me know in the comment section when you go to the downloads, is it not responding or is it fixed? All right. And one more thing, you can also update your Windows. So you can simply search Windows Update and try to update your Windows as well. All right. And also ensure that you have enough space in your C drive. Okay. So I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.